Hello everyone. Today I start my new video of storytelling on my YouTube channel Mallivi. The story belongs to South Indian movie 96. The story starts with Ramchandra. Aga Ram is a travel photographer. He visits his high school and is overcome by memories. A reunion is arranged through their school WhatsApp group. At the return, his friend Murli, Subhanshi and Satish catch up with him. Murli hesitatingly mentioned that Janki or Janu, Ramchand's childhood love, is coming from Singapore. In 1994, Ram and Janu has been friends and classmates in 10th grade. Janu is talented singer. Ram developed feelings for Janu and she reciprocate. Once their board exams are over, they have a memory with each other where Janu Akka ask him for not to forget her until they meet again after the holiday. Back in the present, Janu arrived at the reunion and searched for Ram, where Shubha point Ram to her. Janu walked toward him. She remembers the first day of 11th grade when she earlier awaited Ram's arrival to the classroom, but he does not show up. She finds that Ram has left the school because his father has financial difficulties and his family relocated to Madras, now Chennai, overnight. Janu is consolable and kind to Ram until she completes school. Back in the present, Ram and Janu finally meet and find it uncomfortable to interact with each other, but gradually get along. Their friend talk about Janu's married life in Singapore and disclose that Ram is still single and not to move on. After the reunion party, both go out on a drive. Janu reveals how she could not forget Ram would be treated anything just to have met once back then. She narrates how circumstances forced her to marry someone else. Then Ram asks Janu if she really does not remember that day he come to her college to meet her. Ram said that he has Murli waited in front of Janu college to meet her and pass a message through a student. Janu refused to meet Ram and forbade him to contact her again. He returned sadly and never tried to meet her since then. Janu is devastated after listening this to reveal that she never saw them at the college and thought it was a stalker who was troubling her. Ram tells that except for the mistake of assuming that she hates him, he knows everything about her life. He also tells about seeing her from afar that her wedding. Janu is heartbroken because she feels his presence and expecting him to come for her until the last minute. Both feel sad about their misfortune and finally come to terms with everything that happened in their life. Janu expresses her desire to spend the final few hours with Ram before she catches the flight back to home. They go out into the city and then to a restaurant and catch up more memories. Then they meet Ram's photographer student who assumes Janu is his wife and requests him to share their story. Janu obliges and narrates a improvised version of the time when Ram tried to meet Janu at her college. She tells about how they finally meet and made up and have been together ever since and got married. Always feeling awoke, Ram tried her best to play along. The student leave and Ram asks Janu to visit his apartment as it is already late at night. On the way they get distracted in the rain and Ram gives Janu some of dry clothes. At his apartment, Janu is visibly upset that Ram does not have a love life and requests him to move on and get married and have a family. She finally sings Ram's favorite song, Yamuna Atre, from the film Talapati. Janu has purposefully avoided singing in school in spirit of his repeated out and go back to Janu hotel to get ready request. Ramu shows Janu a collection of their old memories, live, love poem, dry flowers and their school uniform. They realize that time is running out and go back to Janu hotel to get ready for her flight in a few hours. Janu is sad knowing that she leaving Chennai and Ram very soon. At the Chennai airport, Ram escorts her to the board gate and they bid a treat farewell. Janu then get into the flight and departs. Back at the home, Ram finds Janu's clothes that he put to dry previous night. He folded them neatly but put them along with his treasures collection of school memories and shut the suitcase and the screen cut the bag. Thank you for the listening.